recent road trip, we spent 2 days in Cullman, Alabama. A good friend had recommended Sportsman's Lake Park, so we booked a campsite. The park is located in downtown Cullman, but you wouldn't know it. It's surrounded by trees and wraps around a beautiful lake that's full of fish and home to lots of wildlife.
Does anybody have a quarter? they want their breakfast.
All right. So somehow this sounded like a great idea at the time. We are out on the lake in a paddle boat wearing old-fashioned life jackets so we don't drown in the 3 feet of water here I think we got. But we forgot our hats, sunscreen's in the van, and Marge did bring water. I'm grateful. Having a blast.
In addition to paddle boats, you can rent canoes, kayaks, or a rowboat. There's plenty of fun activities for the whole family. The kids will love the bounce houses, and the whole family can enjoy a game of golf on the 18-hole putt-putt golf course. There's also plenty of room for the little ones to run and play at the fenced-in playground. And the splash pad will help the whole family beat the summer heat. An awesome bike path runs throughout the park. If you don't have a bike, don't worry, bike rentals are available, or you can simply walk or jog along the trail. The winding trail will take you through many shaded picnic and pavilion areas, as well as take you along the lake and wind you through the campground. The trail also passes by the Veterans Memorial Park, which is dedicated to the servicemen and women from Cullman. Also along the trail, you'll find fitness equipment, so you can stop and add some more exercise to your workout.
So all throughout the bike path is these great exercise stations. So you get a really great workout on your bike ride in the morning.
Great exercise equipment. Not really sure what you're supposed to do with this one.
And when you're done your workout, be sure to stop by the concession stand for lunch and some delicious soft-serve ice cream. The campground has 17 RV and tent sites with electric and water hookups. A picnic table and grill are included. Bathroom and showers are available in the campground area. During the daytime, a small-scale train runs around the lake. The whole family can ride.